Alright everyone, I decided to do a two-part video for this goat skull. What I wanted to do is, now that it's all dry, I want to take a brush and some mop-n-glow just to give it a nice, not a real big gloss, but enough to put a sheen on. I don't know if you can tell how dull it is now. It's nothing to brag about really, but with putting on that mop-n-glow, it's going to give it a nice sheen. Like I said in the last video, part 1, that I can't take the credit for this, for the mop-n-glow. It's a guy by, I'm not sure of his name, but like I said, his channel name is White Bone Creation. I'm not going to put a whole lot in there. I just have a small container of that mop-n-glow. It's just start brushing away. Just take a little bit. Don't get it all over the place. I should have had a paper towel, but just take it along. Do everything. I have one covering of the horn. It would probably be this one, the cleanest one. But I didn't go ahead and clean that up at all. Now that I'm doing this, I can see the green from that fungus or the moss or whatever it was come out in the color. But you want to get every little nook and cranny. Lot of little bones on here. Just brushing on. This side doesn't look so bad. The side that was in the dirt kind of reminds me of seeing the old cattle skulls that you see in pictures that are all dirt stained and real discolored. It has a orange hue to it. Not much of them, but enough to discolor it. Yeah, I don't think you can put too much on. What this is going to do is pretty much kind of not seal the pores, but it's going to not allow the dust to sit on it. I don't know what he's planning on doing with this. If he's going to put it alongside his other skulls. I don't know if he's going to hang it outside. But I'll put mop-n-glow on it anyways. I can see this horn right here really soaked it all in. I'm starting to shiver. Good thing I turned the buddy heater on. And I'm just looking for spots that are on the dry side. There's a couple spots there. You know, with that green that's kind of showing up a little bit, in a way it doesn't look all that bad. It's kind of got that stone marble effect, that look to it. I don't know what you may think, but it has that look about it. I know it's still green and kind of ugly, but it's something different, that's for sure. Probably take this in the house now and do or let it dry. There. So here it is. It looked better than it did on Friday when you gave it to me. So pretty unique. Well, like always, I hope you if you like this this little part 2 with me putting this mop-n-glow on. Like I said, I can't take credit for it. Look up. He doesn't know I'm doing this or whatever. He's a bigger channel, but look him up, White Bone Creations. He's got all kinds of skulls that he's done already. I mean, he's done a lot. He does antler mounts, kind of like a lot better than what's behind me there. So, but like I said, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, good or bad. I'll leave some more videos here and here. Hit those end cards and that little picture of me right there. Subscribe, alright? Enjoy the little things.